what is your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Nicole and I'm 25.
Okay, so everyone on social media keeps arguing about these huge age gap relationships in the Philippines. Today, let's settle a debate. First is, when people see a 50-year-old foreigner with a 25-year-old Filipina, everyone has an opinion. In your honest view, who is taking advantage of who more? The older guy getting a young, beautiful girlfriend, or the young girl getting a ticket to a better life?
I see. Since it's a very huge issue right now, since huge having a partner with a huge gap is sometimes it's an issue, especially in here in the Philippines. But I guess it's all about like if you're committed to one another, it's not about how other people see you. It's about how you feel to one another. And I think it doesn't matter as long as the girl or the man is at the right age. It's not a big deal at all.
Okay, it's not a big deal, but who do you think is getting the most advantage?
I see. I think it's an equal advantage, I guess, because if a man is looking for a young woman, it's basically not just about he's looking for a young woman to take care of him. It's not like that. Sometimes a man is looking for a young woman because they just want to, and we should respect that. And I think there's no one taking advantage of it because it's a mutual decision. A relationship should be a mutual decision.
So it's even.
Yeah.
No one is. Okay. So if a young girl is going to date an older guy, do you think it's best for her to hide his age from her friends or hide his income from her family? Which one causes more trouble?
I guess if the girl didn't want to reveal the age or the income of the man, I believe it's basically fine since it's actually a private matter that should not be. And I think you need to respect your partner in order to disclose that kind of information. So it doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay, so if there's a couple, okay, let's say a Filipina, which causes more trouble? Let's say, like, because there's so many like stereotypes saying that, oh, since they know now that you're in a relationship with a foreigner, probably people that know you might ask for money, borrow money, like keep on borrowing like this, like that, and then on the other hand, family might, like when they found out that his income is, let's say, he's earning good money or big amount of money, they might do the same thing, like borrow or ask money from the Filipina, from her daughter, like that. So, what causes more trouble between the two? The friends or, like
The family.
keeping, yes.
I think it's about in my opinion, it's the more causing trouble is the friends because the family is it's a blood related people. So I think when the friends get to know that the income of your man and then like ask you like, hey, can you lend me money? I think it's an issue because after all, but then again, it's totally fine if the girl like give it like okay fine just give it one time and then but it if repeatedly it's an issue.
So you're saying that if it's a family, they're more like understanding, okay, than the friends. They might keep on asking, borrowing like that. Okay. And what about the family drama back home? If a girl dates a guy whose kids are actually older than she is, would you expect those kids to call her mom, or is that just way too weird?
For me it's not weird. Actually I have a friend who, and she's married already with an American guy and the American guy has a daughter and it's she is older than the girl but they seem like they're like just best friends so I don't find it like weird at all.
Do you call does she call your friend mom, or
Yes, like mama actually. Yeah.
what's the age gap?
It's about I guess it's 10 years something like that. Mm-mm.
Between your friend and the daughter? 10 years age gap.
Between my friend and
Yeah.
oh no the daughter Actually, they are in the same age.
Oh.
Oh yeah, but she called her mama and our mom, something like that.
That's like like sign of respect. Sign of respect. Okay. Who judges these couples harder? Local Filipino guys who feel replaced or older Western women online?
I think the most what do you call the one? What's the question again?
The what do you call, who judges these couples? Those couples with age gap. The Filipino men who feel replaced or the older women online. The from the hold on, sorry. Older Western women online.
Yeah, I guess it's the older Filipino men since they I mean a lot of Filipino men nowadays are like thinking like, oh, they're like looking for foreigner because a lot of Filipino men are like acting women right now. So they actually Filipino women are like looking for someone that is good enough to communicate, to provide, and I think they totally find it in other country. That's why.
So you think a foreign man, they're good provider.
Yes, I believe in that.
So you understand how the whole dynamic works. Hypothetically, if a great foreign guy came along who could give you that comfortable life, but he was twice your age, would you actually date him or is that a hard no?
Um, Actually, it's not a big deal at all. To be honest, I dated an American guy way back like few years ago, and he's actually twice my age, but he seems very nice, but apparently it didn't work out for some reason. But I think it's not a big deal for me since age is just a number after all, and I'm at my legal age now, so I can decide on my own.
25 years old.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So when you dated the foreign guy, did he come here in the Philippines? Like you met?
Not yet.
So only like chat, video call.
That's right. Yep.
How long did he like courted you or the dating?
Not so long, just about like 2 months, something like that.
So what the reason why it didn't work out?
It's a private matter.
Oh, private matter. Okay. Okay. So 25, you're working now, right?
Yes, that's right.
Let me know what is your job if it's okay.
Sure. I'm a front desk officer at hotel here in Naga City.
Are you in a relationship or do you have like boyfriend?
No, I don't have a relationship right now. I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Oh, not that long. We just broke up last month.
What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Laarni. I'm 24 years old.
When people see a 50-year-old foreigner with a 25-year-old Filipina, everyone has an opinion. In your honest view, who is taking advantage of who more? The older guy getting a young, beautiful girlfriend or the young girl getting a ticket to a better life?
I think, pwede po nga. Girl. Um, I think both of them has no like disadvantages or advantages. If they both love each other, so it's still advantage for both of them because it's not just about the age. It's about how you feel to that person. And then sometimes when you have a partner older than you, they have a broad thinking or mature thinking than you, then they can teach you some things that you don't know, and also those um, older than you, they can also get lesson from the younger age.
So if they love each other, no one is taking advantage.
Yeah, like that.
How about if the relationship is transactional? She's only with him because she wants a better life and he wants her because she is young. So who's taking advantage more?
If that's the situation, I think the older age. If that's the situation,
The older guy.
yeah, the older guy.
So, if a young girl is going to date an older guy, do you think it's best for her to hide his age from her friends or hide his income from her family? Which one causes more trouble?
Mm, I think when you're dating older guy, your friend should also know the age of that guy, because sometimes our friends can help us or give us advice for that date. Yeah, and if for the
Family.
family, they can also they should also know the age of the guy, because sometimes our family knows best for us. Yeah, and if you are dating that guy, um you better meet your family before taking it seriously.
Okay. My question be is, which one causes more trouble? Hiding his age from her friend or hiding his income from her family? You know, here in the Philippines, they're saying that if your friends have found out that you are in a relationship with a foreigner, they're gonna keep on borrowing money because they think that the foreigner has money. Now, the family, when they found out that he is earning good money, the same thing, they're also gonna keep on asking or maybe borrowing money, or maybe family members is always sick. So, which causes more trouble? In your honest opinion?
I think for family, because your family is something more special to you, and then you will just know na they keep on borrowing to your boyfriend like that. It's like uh, a shame, yeah, like that, because that's your family.
Okay, so that causes more trouble. And what about the family drama back home? If a girl dates a guy whose kids are actually older than she is, would you expect those kids to call her mom, or is that just too weird?
I think it's okay for me.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
It's not weird?
Yeah, it's not weird. Just
Okay.
for me.
Just for you. Okay. Who judges these couples harder? Local Filipino guys who feel replaced or older Western women online?
Mm, I think Western
Women.
women
Older Western women.
online. Yeah, online.
Have you ever heard that? Like or seen you have you seen it online? Like older Western women like judging couples with big age gap?
Yeah, a lot. A lot, and online.
Okay, so you understand how the whole dynamic works. Hypothetically, if a great foreign guy came along who could give you that comfortable life, but he was twice your age, would you actually date him, or is that a hard no?
If that guy has a good heart and a good personality, I think I will go for it. And also, we have stages to know that person. So that's when I'm going to decide if I'm going to date her, date him. Like,
So it's a yes.
yeah, yeah.
Let's say you are dating, or let's say you are in a relationship with a foreign guy twice your age. Okay, would you hide his age from your friends?
No,
You're gonna be honest.
yeah, I'm gonna be honest to them,
Why?
because I think it's my life to decide, and I know they are my friends, but still it's my decision to make.
Okay. How about, would you hide his income from your family?
Maybe if they ask me, I a little bit of information, but not all important information.
So you're 24 years old, working already, right?
Yeah.
What is your job if it's okay?
In drugstore,
Pharmacist.
pharmacist assistant.
Very nice. Very nice job. Anyway, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you. Her friend is waiting, so I'm not gonna keep you for so long. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi everyone. Hopefully we have earned your subscription. And also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.